Kay Jidaya, para sa Pilipino, test natin, tatanungin kita tungkol sa alamat ng palay. Okay? So, unang tanong natin, ano ang kinakain ng mga tao noon?
Gulay.
Ano pa?
Fruits.
Prutas?
Frutas.
Tsaka what?
Like meat.
Karne.
Carne. And then,
Yan.
they were all sad.
Oh, why?
Because
Bakit Tagalog? Can you speak Tagalog? Malungkot sila.
gulay was gone na, and also the pala, the man at the pala is gone as well.
Oh.
And then they saw like the 3 girls are from.
Which one?
They sent the 10 soldiers and 10 hunters.
Okay.
And then they put 6.
Okay.
6 of them saw 3 girls
Oh.
with gulay.
Okay.
And then they didn't steal the food from the girls.
Hmm.
And then they just talked to the girls, Mona. Is it, what happened?
Ano nangyari?
Huh?
Ano nangyari?
Ano
Sabi.
nangyari? And they said, we're hungry.
Gutom.
And then they gave him all the gulay.
Okay, tapos?
And then they let him go to their area. And then there was a princess.
Saan sila nagpunta?
Like a magical place.
Okay.
And then
Tapos?
and then the princess just let him have like a bite of new stuff.
What's that new stuff? Ano yung nakita nila? Ano tawag doon?
Rice.
Bigas. Oh.
And then when they ate it, everybody loved it.
Oh.
Well, that's why they liked the rice now.
Anong ginawa nung ano? Anong ginawa nung princess?
They made their world like a magical place.
Hindi, anong ginawa niya? Ano binigay niya? Ano binigay niya dun sa mga
The rice.
Ano tawag dun sa seed? Ano tawag dun? Palay. Palay, yun yung binigay.
Yes.
Tapos, ano nangyari? Where did they go after?
They went home now.
They went home.
Yes.
Oh.
The end.
So, anong lesson nung story? What is the good? Ano yung natutunan mo?
I don't.
What did you learn about the story? What's the good, what's the lesson in the story? Kailangan, ano daw kailangan mo maging, mabait?
To be kind.
To be kind and?
Blessing.
Okay. Thank you, Jidaya. Good job.